Their heart will be in the deep fear of Allah. They know one day will come, they will be empty-handed, single. They go back to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala with no power, with no money, with no family, with no one with him. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says, إِنَّمَا الْمُؤْمِنُونَ, and that's a privacy to the believer. إِنَّمَا أَدَاةٌ حَصْرٌ فِي اللُّغَةِ الْعَرَبِيَّةِ. That's the privacy to the believer. إِنَّمَا الْمُؤْمِنُونَ الَّذِينَ, whom they are, whenever they remembered Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Many people among us, I am not separating myself with you because you are my Muslim brothers. Whenever you say, my brother, this is haram, it says, leave me alone. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala not happy what you do. He said, leave me, I live my life. Or he wants to find an easiest fitwa to do his aim. And that's the wrong thing. Whenever you remember Allah, while you were working, while you were sitting, while you are having a happiest time in your life, which is you get married in the same wedding day, please remember Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. You won't be that much happy for the rest of your life. When you get married and you have wedding, that's the beginning of problem you face. That's the beginning of responsibility you have. It's not that the believers always, when you remember him Allah, he said, no, leave me alone. What is that? Why you make the religion is difficult on me? It's not like that, my dear brothers and sisters. When Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala describing the believers, clearly says whom they are. Whenever they remember Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, وَجِلَتْ قُلُوبُهُمْ, their heart is boiling like a boiled water. When they remember Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, their heart will be in the deep fear of Allah. They know one day will come, they will be empty-handed, single. They go back to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala with no power, with no money, with no family, with no one with him. That's why whenever they remember Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, they will be in the deep fear. وَإِذَا تُلِيَتْ عَلَيْهِمْ آيَاتُهُ زَادَتْهُمْ إِيمَانًا. Whenever you recite one ayat of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala upon these believers people, their iman will be increased. Their belief will be in the very highest hill. They will be flying into the sky. Why? Because they know the power of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And the believers, أُولَٰئِكَ هُمُ الْمُؤْمِنُونَ حَقًّا. There is two reasons Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala describing them. They are the real believers, حَقًّا. Why? الَّذِينَ يُقِيمُونَ الصَّلَاةِ وَمِمَّا رَزَقْنَاهُمْ يُنْفِقُونَ. And that's the real reason for believers to be the real mu'min, the real believer. Why? Because they are establishing their prayer on time and they standing on their feet to pray on the appointment time. Let me tell you one thing. We have too many Muslim brothers in this country and in any other country around the world. They lose this time because of some few dollars or few dinar and dirham. Many people did that and they already in the graveyard and the cemetery. Why? Why Muslim people should do one thing when Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala clearly said in Surah Al-Jumu'ah, Ya ayyuhalladhina amanu, idha nudiya lis-salati fi yawm al-Jumu'ah. Why if you have a GP appointment you won't be late? You always try to be there 10 minutes earlier. Why you have an interview to do something, to making a business? Tell me, which one of us, when his job starts 8 o'clock in the morning, he's not ready outside of his home 7 o'clock in the morning? Why you are late on your pride? Why we are late on something when it's benefiting ourselves? That's why Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says, Ya ayyuhalladhina amanu, qu anfusakum wa ahlikum nara. Can you see yourself on this earth? You are very small. We are very small. We are the tiniest thing on this earth. When Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala calling us, Ya ayyuhalladhina amanu, idha nudiya lis-salati min yawmi al-jumu'ati fas'aw ila dhikrillah. When you go to the Friday prayer, leave your shop and come to mosque. Why? Because this is a day of Eid, of Muslimin.